All right, y'all. This is Red Randy back. Yeah, it's been a while since I've posted a video, and I hadn't really done anything much to the 39. I got started fitting these quarter patches, and that's about as far as I got. I've been doing some other stuff. Went to Moultrie, Georgia, down there to the swap meet. Picked me up a new set of back tires from Coker for my coupe, and a new set of front tires. They had to ship them in. They didn't have them in stock. Got them from Coker, and they're real expensive, but that's what I run on my car. It looks good. That's what I like, so that's what I got. And anyway, I'll show you what I've been working on. My nephew, he got into go-kart racing, and he talked to me about a one-man go-kart stand, in case he went to a race somewhere where he was by himself. And those go-karts, they're pretty heavy, a couple 100 pounds, and it would just be hard for him to get it on a stand and work on it and take it down himself. So he wanted something that if he went off somewhere to a race and he was by himself, he wouldn't have to worry about getting somebody to help him lift his cart, put it on the stand and then help him get it down and all that kind of stuff. But anyway, that's what I've been working on. I built him a one-man go-kart stand. Still got to paint it. It's not painted yet. It's just in raw metal, but I made him a rack on the bottom. He can put tires or tools or whatever up under there. It's got swivel casters on the back. He didn't want a power winch with a battery and a winch. And I don't blame him, because the battery is just something else you got to worry about. You got to keep it charged, and if it goes dead, then then you don't have a way to let it up and down. So we went with a boat winch and mounted it on there, and it works really good. It's I think it's like I don't know what the ratio is on it, but it's pretty. It works smooth going up and down. But first time building one, and what I had to go by was, of course, I looked it up on the internet, YouTube, and looked at some, and just kind of went off of that, and took my time and tried to figure everything out before I cut, before I welded, before I put it together, and it turned out really good. I made this, when these arms are down, all the way down, the go-kart's off of it, you can take this pin out here and lay this over, and it's all flat. If you want to fix, put it up against the wall, or, so you can save room in your trailer. But anyway, I'll give y'all show y'all how it works, and let y'all see it, how it operates. Here we go. So that's it. That's it. It took me a while to build it. Just because I'd never built one before, I figured everything out as I went, and got to disassemble it, take it all back apart, put some paint on it, put it back together, and it'll be good to go. Anyway, I thought I'd do a short video and let y'all know what I was up to, and if y'all want to see more projects, like whenever I built this thing, I didn't video it, but probably some stuff I did on here that might have interested y'all, or something that you would like to see. But if y'all want to see any of these other projects that I do, I'd be glad to video them and post them. But this just took a while because of not doing one before. But anyway, if y'all want to see any of these other projects or things that I do around the shop, around the house, just leave it in the comments and let me know, and I'll try to post some of this other stuff that I'm doing in the shop. All right, well, subscribe to the channel, leave me a like, and leave a comment, and we'll catch y'all next time.